Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am your lady Tania, a true Jamaican here in Guyana, learning about the culture and people. This is an exclusive market tour in Guyana, highlighting similarities between Jamaica and Guyana. This is part 2 and we're looking at the Board of Fish Market and Shops. I do hope that you enjoyed part 1 where an exclusive tour of the market was done. Like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Crabs.
Crabs. No.
Yeah, we gotta get out to pick up one. This same feisty one we gotta get. Come here. Yeah.
Look at him ugly.
He's feisty.
What kind of crab is this though?
This is the blue crab.
Blue crab?
The blue crab or bunduri.
Oh.
As it gets bigger you see. Call it bunduri crab.
Okay.
Blue back. Oh, yeah, it's good. It's getting to go crazy.
This
right
is
now.
the catfish?
So that's one of the catfish. So that is Gale Barker. That's Gale Barker catfish. One of the most expensive catfish.
Okay.
Right? Let me go through, give you the rundown. Here. While you watch this gentleman here, talented as he is, filleting, and he's taking his time. Right? We got butterfish. Fast, easy to cook. Then we got the bangameri, which is this. This is our everyday fish.
Yeah.
We have the poggy. We have this is Andy Quarryman. You got the snook. You have the shad, trout, kofum or tarpon. Then you got the gray snapper.
That's a small tarpon.
That's a small tarpon.
You gotta see.
Yeah.
Tarpons get as big as this.
Yeah, as this, like I've seen big one as this big.
Yeah.
Right? So, butterfish, bangameri.
Yeah.
So, catch my boy doing his fillet.
Yeah.
That's it. Easy.
He's experienced.
Easy for him.
Yes. If I try that.
We can get you to try it. You want to try?
I could.
Go around.
Let me go and try it.
So we're gonna have her try to clean, clean and fillet a bangameri. So she's in her workstation and she's ready for work.
I use left hand, so I have to turn the fish.
Down now, down.
Up.
The other way, like this. Yeah.
Oh, you cut off the head.
Watch your fingers. Pressure, you have to put that pressure on it.
Oh my God.
You cut the belly first.
Oh, you cut the belly?
Yes.
Cut
What
the belly.
did you see when you cut the belly? Then? I didn't see when you do that, you know? You were so fast.
Press down with your hand like this.
So you want to press down and guide that knife through the middle bone.
tasting your fish.
No problem. Turn over.
Turn over. Guide from the middle bone.
You mark.
Give it a press.
Like that. Oh, you just slice it like that. And you cut, you throw away this.
Not necessarily, but we cut it off because what happens, some of them they carry worms.
Oh,
Worm like in it.
so I'm gonna cut it off.
Some people they prefer it, some they don't. Now turn over. This here you mark it.
Oh,
So that's your backbone.
Go straight down. You go too deep.
oh, me go too deep.
No, she went too light. So go ahead. All right.
Oh my, me waste the fish. Look there.
Yeah.
I waste the fish.
So we know now that you're not a fishmonger.
I am so sorry.
It takes days of practice.
It takes practice. So we're gonna stick to the YouTube channel.
I will stick to YouTube, but this was a great experience though, knowing how the process is done, and he's very well experienced, so keep up your good job.
Yeah, they got the water, show her the pipe.
Water to wash your
Por
hands.
favor.
Just splash it out. Sorry.
Fabio.
Hello,
Where's the guy with the napkin?
dear.
Where's the guy with the
come, come.
napkin?
You could trouble me.
Oh.
Yeah. It's the fish. That's it. Got a nice shot there for you.
Yes, yes.
All right. Yes, Uncle. Let me get the fish for lunch now. Rasha, we're gonna do snook.
Hindu snook.
We'll do some snook for lunch. It's just the two of them. And give me 2 snook.
This is mackerel.
Mackerel.
They normally dry the
2 nice
mackerel.
ones. Fillet it there for me. Dry mackerel, and I had that with the rundown.
Yes.
Oh man. Or island is what you call it, rundown or island?
Rundown. It's rundown.
I had it with the rundown.
Coconut rundown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very strange because we have the metem.
Yes.
So that is lunch today.
Yes. Oh my.
How much is that, Uncle? 2? Yeah, fillet. Taking it off the bone.
Yes.
This is why I'm running away from you. Why?
So you guys don't normally buy fish with the bone. Only some people. So what you do with the bone? You throw it away?
He's gonna keep it. He's gonna use that.
Oh, somebody else will buy the bone.
Yeah, nothing goes to waste.
Oh.
Huh? We should. Yeah. I make a nice fish broth. In Jamaica they call it fish tea.
Fish tea. Yeah.
So the fillet is just easy to cook. You don't have to sit there picking out bones.
Yeah.
And this fish is really good.
Yes.
And look how thick it is after you finish filleting it.
Yeah. You guys have a lot of fish here.
Yeah, a lot of
We're
different
not that
varieties.
and the different seafoods.
And we gotta also mention, whilst Guyana translates to the land of many waters, we're the land of the giants as well. And the fish that you see around here,
Yes.
whilst they're huge, this is still small compared to some of the others.
Yeah, cut it up.
Okay.
A little thing, Jamal likes soup. So I'm taking the bones
Yeah.
and make a soup for Jamal.
Yeah, we use the head. Oh,
That's what we're doing catfish.
yeah.
Put it in the piece.
Yep. So that's what we're talking about, giant, and that's a
Giant.
small one.
Yeah.
And you see 3 guys holding this up.
We use the head and the bones for the fish tea.
There's a song, right? With Liar the Liar. So Liar the Liar telling the guy is telling him, hey, yeah, my father catch a big fish like that, right?
Yes.
So he described this fish, how big the fish is. So the liar, the real liar man now, said, no, those type of fish you father just catch
Yes.
is what me father just use as bait. So the small fish that, even though he said this fish is so gigantic, he said, no man, that is bait fish for us.
Okay. So how they price the fish?
Like that 2 fish, I paid $2,000, which is
It's like $10
$10 US.
In Jamaica, that would be like 100 US.
Were you saying,
Yes.
no sir, no.
No, seriously. Those are 2 big fish.
Which one we can get for 100 US here right now? What's the size for 100 US? Yeah.
Oh my, that would be a lot of money home.
Oh, these are under 100.
all under 100.
So,
14, 15,000 average.
and this is like $60.
So because you guys have fish, that is why it's way cheaper. You have a lot of fish.
Yeah, yeah. Right? He specializes in all of these big fish.
Yes.
In the catfish. This, we call it Gale Barker. One of the most expensive catfish right now. Right now in the US, this is probably about $45 a pound. $45 US a pound.
I believe you.
Very expensive. And it's so good.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Thanks, brother. All the time. Uncle, I still got you, right? I forget you.
What is that? Minced meat?
Yeah, come over here and you get to meet the butchers.
Hi.
At Christmas time, she's from Jamaica, Uncle, and I'm showing her off.
Jump down?
Yes.
Right? And at Christmas time, everybody comes here. This is every day, right? But he's gonna see more of a rush around this
That's
time.
a cow foot?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Just how you do it, we do it too. I'm telling you, we're the same people. You got the inners, you got the cow foot, you got the inners, that's the tripe, you got the liver, all of that we use. Like, oh, you do your liver stew?
Yes.
We do liver stew too. And Sunday is liver stew.
Liver stew.
Yeah.
For breakfast.
Yeah, man.
And that's a cow tail.
The oxtail.
Oh, that's an oxtail?
Well, the ox is practically the bull cow, eh?
Oh.
Those ox that you used to have from back in the days, you don't get that no more.
Yes.
So when they say oxtail, it is the cow tail.
Oh.
So this is the entire thing right here. Very expensive, as you know,
Yes.
right?
But what's the price like here though? It's still expensive?
It's cheap. It's cheap here. What is the pound for oxtail? $1,200.
Oh, that's about 800 Jamaican.
The same. It's like $6 US.
Yeah, so in Jamaica, I'm not sure about the pound, but it's a lot.
In the US, it's $24, $18,
Yeah, maybe
$15.
the same price.
Yeah.
Whatever price affect US normally affect Jamaica.
Yeah, because you're so close by here.
Yes.
Right, so we got to start a petition. Drop the price on oxtail. Because it's not the real ox anymore, it's cow tail.
So this is the skin.
This is the skin.
Oh.
That's the piece.
Yeah, from here, go back.
This tour, guys, was very fun and interesting. I do hope that you have learned a lot. Leave your comments below in the comment section, and thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of